Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up the Aldi Kamado to make pizzas. I'd like to thank everybody new that subscribed to the channel. We've had a nice big influx of people. If you're not subscribed, then please make sure you do. Hit the subscribe button down the bottom. Make sure you ring the bell for notifications. We've got lots and lots of videos coming out on the Aldi Kamado this year. So come along for the ride.
Then get your grill grates in. And then onto your grill grates you want to get a deflector plate, so I'm using a steel one. I'm going to do this experiment the opposite way round in a future video to see if it makes any difference, but at the moment this is the way I'm most happy. So we're going to get some nuts on top of that, and then we're going to place a pizza stone on top of that. So this gives you a nice gap through the middle so your pizza stone doesn't get a direct heat, so it doesn't get too hot. So you want your top vent fully open, your bottom vent about 3/4, and when you're up to about 300, 320, you're ready to cook. Get your pizza on, close down for 2.5 minutes, and then we're going to give it a quarter turn twist. Close down again for about 2 minutes, and as you can see you get a nice crisp bottom. Perfect pizza.
So I hope you found this video useful. As I say, it seems to be the best way that I've found for making sure that you get a nice crisp bottom without burning anything too much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, leave me a comment underneath, let me know what it is that you want me to cook to make life easier for you. Thank you very much for watching.